Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to try one of $3 makeup product, which is from LA Colors. This one is the product. So this eyeshadow has 3 colors, like the golden color, and then the blue one, and then the green one. So we are going to use all the colors here. So here it is. It's plastic, and they have a very luxury thing to cover, a tape, so then the eyeshadow won't go everywhere, and they are somewhat hard to open. I get it. So here it is, the eyeshadow. Then they provide us with the sponge. I think I'm gonna use this sponge in this eyes, and with the regular makeup brush in this eyes. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, now let's first do our eyebrow. And blend them up using spoolie. So I'm not gonna use any primer or anything. I will just apply directly to my eyelid using this brush. So first I'm gonna apply the green one. Okay, the sponge pick up the color so smoothly. It's not like powdery. It's like cream, but it's powder. So let's apply it now. The color is so pigmented actually. I don't know, it's because of the color or because of the brush, but from the real life here, the color is so pigmented. Even I just tap the eyeshadow, the sponge is picking up the eyeshadow so much. So I'm just trying to apply it like this. I don't know, in the camera it will be like looking so pigmented or like wash, but in real life it's so pigmented. But they're patchy. In certain area they're like not gonna cover it, but the certain area they are so colored. Alright, I think done with the green. Now I'm gonna apply the blue on my crease zone. So on the crease here. Okay, I think okay, so honestly I never use sponge. I mean, it's just long back even 1 or 2 times like that, like the beginning when I buy the eyeshadow in my makeup journey. So that time even I do with my hand or my brush. I buy like specially for the eyeshadow. So I think when we use sponge like this, we shouldn't like swap it like we use brush. So we should like tapping them. I think, I don't know, maybe we can swap or not, I don't know. But when I swipe, the shadow before, the green shadow that we have applied before, is gone. I don't know, it's because of this kind of eyeshadow, or it's because of this sponge. I don't know which one, but that's what happened. Okay, it will need somewhat more. I think the blue somewhat not so pigmented like the green one, and you know, it needs a lot more time to blend using this brush. I don't know, maybe my technique is wrong or what, and it's going everywhere. And then now I'm gonna apply the gold one in the middle here, where the eyes is pop. Oh, the gold one is good. So pigmented. Yeah, I like it. The gold one. So that's it. How you guys think about it? So now I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow into my left eye by using the brushes. I bought also a new brush from Dollar Tree, which is Wet n Wild. Here, let's open it up. It's small eyeshadow brush, so it's just $1 too, and it's so pretty. Look at this, like it's so pretty, right? So I think I'm gonna use, oh, and also it has arch here for the finger, kind of like this. It's kind of weird. So I'm gonna use the green one here into my all eyelid. Because we use brush, don't forget to tap. Let's see the powder. Ooh, the powder so much. So let's tap it on. So the color when using the brush is not so pigmented like when we use the sponge. Okay, it look, I don't know in the camera, but it looks like fading color. I'm trying to not sweep it, just like tap it so the color even more, but looks like the color not so pigmented when we use brush. That's why maybe they give that furry sponge. But I like this brush actually, you know, the size is nice. Alright, now with this e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm gonna apply the blue one on my crease. The blue one, when we use the brush, is more like a silver color when it comes to the skin. I don't know, it's because of they, you know, blend with the green one or what, I don't know, but that's what I see here. I mean, you know, it's only $1 eyeshadow, what can you expect, but this is what I see here. You know, not everybody can afford to buy even like drugstore eyeshadow, you know, like they will be like around $5 and up, but this one is only $1 and you know, they give some colors on your eyes. Now I'm using flat brush, just again my unbranded flat brush. I'm going to apply the gold one. So the gold one, when we touch it, it becomes black, but when we put on our eyelid, it will stay golden. Yeah, the golden one is the best one here. It's so pigmented. It doesn't matter with brush or with sponge, you apply it, it will stay gold there. Ooh, the gold even more when you use brush rather than sponge. So I will just gonna touch this up a little bit. Yeah, I like the gold one. Now the eyeshadow thing is done. Now I'm going to use my eyeliner and my mascara and my fake lashes. now done everything on my eyes. Now we are going to put on the foundation and everything and finish up our makeup. Here is the look for the eyeshadow. So this one we use the sponge and this one we use the brush. And I said the blue one was not pigmented. I think it's because I put the blue one on top of the green one. After I put the blue one on my lower lid here, it's so pop up. It's like so nice. For me, I am so much satisfied with this product. Actually, this LA Colors eyeshadow is just $1 and it has color, like it's coming, but as I said before, the gold one, it become like a black thing here, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see there, the gold one has like black thing there. It's because I swept them when I took the eyeshadow. I thought it's because of my brush or because of the sponge, but no. So this sponge is like, it was clear, there was no color at all, and it becomes like that. But when it touched my skin, the gold still so nice. So yeah, I think I recommend this LA Colors for you guys, like you know, budget friendly eyeshadow, but I don't know until when it will stay there, like how long. Alright, this is the end of the video, and as usual, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the ring. See you in the next video. Bye.